Cardiff Met's new strategic plan, delivered with purpose, impact and compassion, focuses on belonging and becoming. Strategy 2030 will address 4 thematic priorities: learning, teaching and student engagement, research and innovation, civic mission and international engagement. And it will do so by working in partnership with our students, staff and partners to fulfil their life chances and those of the communities and economies they belong to. And we'll deliver 5 strategic priorities: enhancing our culture, transforming our campuses, creating a low-carbon future, developing excellence and opportunity in sport, and further strengthening our global academies.
Strategy 2030 places an emphasis on enhancing our culture. We will focus on strengthening our culture of belonging and becoming throughout our staff and student community. We will build on our race equality charter work and our progress transforming gender equality through Athena Swan. Cardiff Met will continue to lead the debate on eliminating harassment, hate crime and violence within higher education. We will gather and share good practice and act as a champion of change, not only in higher education, but more broadly across our society.
Our Estates Master Plan will transform our campuses to foster belonging and becoming. We will deliver outstanding teaching, research, sporting and social spaces for our students and staff, and strive towards a net zero carbon estate by 2030. We will develop both our Kincoed and Llandaff campuses to provide first choice environments for working, learning and living. And we will improve and expand our residential accommodation. We will open our campuses to our community, to Wales and to the wider world through collaborative partnerships and international recruitment.
Our experts will come together to create innovative teaching and research areas. These areas will respond to climate change, employer need and student demand for environmental sustainability. They will also support green economies, education for sustainable development and the wellbeing economy. We will create a more prosperous, greener and fairer nation in partnership with other organisations including Welsh Government, Cardiff Council, Cardiff Capital Region, further education colleges, business and industry.
We will focus on excellence across our sporting system, building on our proud history and tradition of global sporting success. We will upgrade facilities and diversify activity, capitalising on sport as a lever for wider social, economic and cultural good. We'll improve access, opportunity, retention and impact in both high performance and participation sport, working in partnership with Student Union, Cardiff Council, Sport Wales and governing bodies. Cardiff Met will be known as Wales Sport University.
We established 3 global academies during the last strategic period. These bring together our strengths in research, innovation and postgraduate teaching to address global challenges. Strategy 2030 will strengthen the reach and impact of the global academies in human-centred design, food science, safety and security, and health and human performance. The global academies will expand by developing and recruiting to innovative interdisciplinary taught postgraduate programmes designed for a global market. We will continually assess the need to establish further global academies.
Cardiff Met is at a pivotal juncture, and I look forward to leading staff and students in making Strategy 2030 a success. It's critical we maintain the momentum established over the past 5 years by continuing our work as a distinctive, progressive and high-performing university. And I'm fortunate to be surrounded by dedicated staff who come to work every day with purpose and who deliver our impact with professionalism and compassion. Together, we'll make Strategy 2030 a success.